Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Harshavin. Hope you all guys are doing good. So guys, today in this video I'm going to review a product called S Finishing Touch Trimmer. This is an instant and pain-free trimmer, especially for ladies. And here's the box. If I remove this, here is the trimmer head. This is a detachable head. This is a second head. And here is my trimmer. It's not too big or too small, perfect for travel. It's travel friendly. And have the instruction manual how you can use this, and a brush to clean a dirt. And yeah guys, along with that you will get one USB cable to recharge it. So these are the items inside the box. So guys, coming to the usages, I'm using this product from long back, I think more than 1 year, and I feel this is the best product. Let me tell you why. Because this is instant and it's a pain free. You know, while using a wax you may feel pain, and even while using the razor you may feel cuts, but here in this product you never feel any cuts. I never felt any cuts, and it removes our hair very nicely, friends. I'm not telling it will remove like a wax, a deeper one, but no, it don't remove in a deeper one, but yeah, definitely it gonna give you a finished look. I can say it can give you a finished look. You can use this product for face, legs, arms to remove excess hair. The best part is this is dermatologically approved, and this is lithium ion rechargeable. Here it's given no nicks, no cuts or no bumps. So it's very simple to use and it gives you a clear finish. So this is about how it works. Now let me show you the product. So you can see it's very lightweight, and here you can find a rechargeable thing, and this is a head. Here is the on and off button. That's it. If I do like this, you can see it has a light. So if you read the manual you'll get to know easily. It's very simple. So here it has been given what are the things inside the box. That is cleaning brush, cap, and the trimmer, and microfoil head, one detachable head, and one charging cable. And once you buy this product you should charge this for 2.5 hours. It will indicate by green color once it is charged. I think once you buy this product you just need to on for 2.5 hours, and later on it will take less hour. For me, I think for 30 minutes or 20 minutes only it will give me a green symbol. So if it shows a red, then you need to charge it. So coming to how to use this, how you can trim your hair. So you should trim opposite to the hair growth. That is, while using this trimmer, that is trimmer head, you should do 45-degree angle. Like my hair growth is like this, means you should do like this 45-degree angle. I'll just show you. I'm owning this, and you should remove hairs like this. You should do with a 45-degree angle, and that is opposite to a hair growth. The next head they will give is microfoil head, but I don't know, I got a trimmer head itself. This is not a microfoil head, but before I got the microfoil head I just returned that product because that was not working fine, and I replaced with this, but I got the same head. But I feel that microfoil head is not of use, because it states that it will remove a very tiny hair, as it removes deeper as in wax. Similar to that, it says microfoil head removes the hairs deeper and deeper, but I never felt it removes hair deeper. I feel this is the head, it is best. So even though I got a different head, I was just okay with that because I feel that is of no use. The second head is of no use. This one, if that get damaged, even I can put this, so I just kept it off. What I really liked about this product is if it is like a quick function or somewhere and you can feel the hair is grown, just you need to just take this. Even for the trip also it's fine, you can just carry this because it's travel friendly. Just within a fraction of second it removes a hair, and that's a good part. I just removed here. So that's a good part. It is very quick and easy. Even in the razor it takes a lot of time. Even in wax we need to wait and we need to do, but it is very quick. So I literally love this product. So these are all advantage. I literally like this product. Coming to the one disadvantage, what I did not like, this the sound of the product, because it gives noisy kind, you can feel. Since it is lithium operated battery, it's obviously gives a sound, but it's fine. If you get adjusted to it, it's fine. But only that is the one, it's a sound. So this is the one I can say as a disadvantage, but left, I feel this is a great product. So friends, coming to the next part, let me go to the demo video. I'm gonna show you on my skin how you can use this product. So let me go to the demo video. So friends, coming to the price of the product, I got this for 250 rands in South Africa, and I think this product is also available on Amazon, and it's available on Amazon India also. In India it's almost 500 or 450 rupees. So I'm gonna definitely give a product link on my description. You can definitely go and check if you wish to buy this product. And coming to the question, people may ask, can this product can be used for underarms? I never use for underarms because I want a clean finish on my underarms, so I never use this. But I definitely use this for my legs, arms, so I never used for my underarms. Coming to the next question, can we use this on upper lips or forehead? So for upper lips and forehead, definitely you can use, but I never use this because I do myself my eyebrows. So I don't use this product. I just use this for only for my legs or for my hand. Coming to the next question, whether it's worth to buy or not, for me definitely it's worth to buy because it's just 250 rand and I'm using this for past 1 year. It's very quick and it removes hair nicely. For me, the main reason I like this, it is painless and it's quick. So I definitely recommend you to buy and just try this product. Guys, if you have any queries related to this product or any other videos of mine, you can definitely ping me on my comment section. I'm super fast at replying all of your comments. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.